Okay. Now 5th standard, we shall do the activities also. Okay. So that we'll complete it. So in your textbook page number 56, read and answer. Tick the correct answers. The children's favorite meeting place was, you are having 3 options. Their school, Amit's house, the park. So which is the answer? The park. Okay. Second one is, the child who suggested that they follow the balloon seller was, who was it? Just look into your textbook and tell me. Who was it? He has been standing at the gate for last half an hour. That was said by Ruby. Okay. Then Julie. What did Julie say? Look into your textbook and read. Look, he is going away. Let's follow him, said Julie. Okay. So the child who suggested that they follow the balloon seller was Julie. Good. The children became very suspicious when they saw the balloon seller. When did they become so suspicious? Don't look at me, look into your textbook. Turn the pages and see. Where did you read the word suspicious? When is it? Yes, tell. When he picked up the child. Okay. Because they thought it's a thief. But the child showed much affection and ran towards him. So, that is where the children became so suspicious. Now, next one. They realized their mistake when? When did children realize the mistake? When they overheard the couple's conversation with the balloon seller. So only then they realized that this poor man is not a thief. So option B is the right answer. Now the 5th one, after the incident, they felt a little, 3 options are given. Foolish, triumphant, angry. Which is it? Foolish. Yes. So that activity is completed. Now, tick the correct words within the brackets. Okay. So, a paragraph is given here. And in brackets, you can see 2 words given with a slash. That is excited or bored, asked or told, suggested or insisted, sitting or standing, leave or enter, led or followed, foolish or clever. So, first you have to read the paragraph and then try to take the correct word from that. Let's give a try. The children were dash because the holidays had dash. So at this both blank spaces some words are given. The children were excited or bored. Which was it? Excited. Okay. So put a tick mark there. The children were excited because the holidays had begun. Okay. In the bracket you can see begun or ended. So begun is the correct one. So tick begun. Karan dash the others what they should do during the holidays. Karan asked others what they should do during the holidays. Okay. Julie, again blank space, that they become detectives and follow the balloon seller who was dash nearby. Julie suggested that they become detectives and follow the balloon seller who was standing nearby. Okay, now 4 more lines are there. You are having 3 options you have to do as your homework. Now I gave you a idea about what it is. Now rest of it you have to complete. Next one. Who said these words and why? That happens only in stories. Who said this? Amit told. When did Amit tell this? When Ruby and Julie told that they want to become detectives and they wish they had some mysteries. Now, what you have to do is write all this to your notebook, okay? Write by yourself. I won't be giving you notes. You have to try writing by yourselves. For that, here you don't have question answers. Only these activities. So you can read the lesson thrice or more than thrice and write and complete the work. That is it. So for that, first you should read your textbook properly. Now the next one. I'm sure he is a thief just looking for an opportunity. Who said that? Ruby said. And why did Ruby say that? Because he was not selling his balloons. He was waiting for something. Okay. Then again you are having 3 more sentences. Find it out. Okay. Everywhere I am giving you ideas. Now rest you have to do. Okay. So all these are homeworks. This paragraph, that is activity B, you can take it into your textbook itself. Activity C, activity A, you have to write into your notebook along with meanings. Now, the next one is activity D. Imagine that the children had seen the balloon seller trying to break into the house. What would they have done next? How would the story have ended? So now, here your imagination should work. Here, the person is asking, imagine instead of this ending, this balloon seller is trying to break and get into the house. So what will the children do next? And what might be the ending of the story? That also you have to imagine. Sit and think what might be the ending of the story and then write it into your notebook. All this work should be noted into your notebook, not into your rough note or anything else. Understood? Yes. So those activities you have to complete. This is enough for today. Complete these activities for next class. Okay? Don't be delayed in your work and have a good day. Okay? Thank you.